If you want to completely delete out files from your computer, then simply deleting it or even clearing it out from recycle bin is not enough. You can still use third-party recovery software to recover the files out. If you want to completely shred it, then what you can do is you can use something like a file shredder. So over here you can see, for example, I'm just going to go around and use the file shredder application right here. So you can see that I've downloaded the file shredder app right here. So I'm just going to open this out and install this application on my computer. So I'm just going to accept the terms and agreement right here and install the file shredder. Let me just also create a desktop icon right here and install this out. So I'm going to go around and click on launch file shredder right here. So now what you can actually do is you can add in the files that you want to completely wipe out. So I'm going to go to add files right here. Then I'm going to go around onto my pen drive. So let's say I want to completely remove these out right here. So if I were to click on shred files now, then what happens is that it'll remove out the files completely from the hard drive. So there's no traces whatsoever of the files. So even if you use a file recovery software, you won't be able to recover that out. So if you completely want to remove out the files, so maybe you have some confidential files or so forth that you don't want any way for other people to recover, then you can use the file shredder like this. So that is how you can use a third-party file shredder to completely wipe out your files from Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.